Hey, it's Suffering Student here, and today I'm going to be showcasing and solving a small challenge I found and I heard of online, which is simply to print a number from 1 to 100 without using any numbers. So I'm going to be printing it to the console. So what I thought of doing is, because the way that letters, and more specifically chars, is designed in Java, I can actually showcase that if I do a char A, we can cast it pretty easily to an integer. And if I remember to tell it is a char, so it's not a string, but it is a char. And because in Java, chars can be directly translated to hexadecimal and to binary. So if I just print my character right away, you would see we get the number 97 because the hexadecimal number for A, we're using an ASCII table, which is a table that defines how letters are saved as binary. It'll be 97. And just to demonstrate why it's 97, or just to get a bit more perspective, so A equals to 97, which is our ASCII hexadecimal number. Or if you do binary as well, it would be 9, which would be an 8, and a 1, and a 7. And we're going to be taking advantage of the fact that we actually can turn our ASCII value into a hexadecimal, which we can change into an integer. So let's create. When we need to print 1 to 100, we would definitely need the number 1. So I'm going to create the number 1 by very simply doing A divided by A. So what we're technically doing is saying 97 divided by the same number again, which would give 1. And we are told as well that this obviously doesn't make any sense because we should normally replace it by a 1, but we're doing a challenge without any numbers. So now we have the 1. So I would also get a larger number to get all the way up to 100. So I would like to have a 10. And we're just very simply going to create a 10 by doing a string, which I'm just going to call string, not very creative. And we're going to set it equal to the length of 10. So we're going to have 10 dots, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we are able to get 10 by simply doing my string dot length. There we go. So now we can just simply do a for each loop. And instead of doing 0, I'm going to add my 1. And then I'm saying it's going to be when I is less than or equal to my string dot length multiplied by my string dot length to get 10 multiplied by 10, 100. And then I'm just very simply going to be printing my I value. So now I should be able, or I am able, as you can see, to print 1, 2, and up to and including 100. So this was just a quick little challenge, I guess, which I thought was quite funny, because we're taking advantage of how characters are saved in Java and the length of strings. So if you enjoyed this little short video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.